Now guys, the front sprocket needs to be torqued with 85 Newton meters. So let's see. What I did, I pushed the brake lever, I put it with a strap around the center stand to block the rear wheel. So now I'm gonna see if I can torque it, the front sprocket, to 85 Newton meters. Ladies and gentlemen, I got my torque wrench. I'm gonna set it to 85, and that's, if it can get it, wait a minute, 82 plus 3, oh, that's over there. Now, then, this one, let's see, so, yeah. Hopefully it works. There he goes, but yes, another try. Up. Can be done. On the brake, good brakes, Triumph. Okay, then screw it all the way back, over here. Okay, gonna get my strap off. Hammer. Have to bend that locking plate. And now let's see if it's easy said and done. Oh, ah. Yes, there he goes. Yep. See, there he comes. Okay. Okay. No, I'm gonna put it a bit first again, and then like this. Okay, this one a bit out of the way. So yeah, that's better. Then guys, we take this one. Okay. Okay. See? Gonna zoom in. Carefully, perfectly blocked the nut. Now we go on. The next thing we're gonna do, mount that nice cap back in place. Let's wait a minute. This one to there, then slide it this into this groove, into the groove. Okay, yes, hop, yep, perfect. Okay, cut. Two long ones. Hop. That one. And over here we have another one. Yep. Up. Not too tight. Oops. This one too. Then we have this one. Went on like that. And it was like that. Okay, then oh, needs to be in that. Yeah, there he goes. Okay. Not too tight, but tight. This one in between. Okay. Yep, then one here. Okay, and one over here. Okay. Tight, but not too tight. Tight, but not too tight. And this one also. Tight, but not too tight. Now, there we go on. We're almost finished. Get a bit of my tools out of the way. Eens even kijken, guys. Tightened, tightened, tightened. This. Okay. We're gonna put the bike on the side stand. Wait. Oh. Yes. Okay. Guys, the play of the chain should be according to Triumph. On the side stand, no load on the bike, at in between 20 and 30 millimeters in between the sprockets. So that's, let's see, huh? Yes. Yep. Old mechanic. So now you can see it, huh? Between there and there. But hey, this one wasn't firmly in place, but now it is. Between 20 and 30. So okay, let's take that side. Maybe like that should be over here. Now it's now oof on we have 30 and a bit. So we need to tighten it a bit more. Is that easy? Yep, that's easy. So first tighten the rear axle a bit, not too much, something like this, so can still slide. Oh, that's 12, that's 14 pancake, yes. Okay. Oh, then on the other side, I'm gonna that one too. Okay. Now guys, over here it's on almost 3 and here also almost 3. So we're gonna watch for the chain. You can see it. Not much. I can now it's even. Let's see. There. 3. Tiny bit more. On the other side, this is now touching 3, and over here. Okay. Touching 3, 2. Now let's see. This is 3, 2, 5.5. Tiny bit more. Just fraction. See, 3. 5.5, a bit more. Then on the other side too. Okay. There. Yes. Now touching 3. Oh, 3, 2. A little bit tighter. 3. Yeah. Now it's 3 to just over 5. So that's nicely 2. Should be in between 2 or 3 centimeters or 20 or 30 millimeters. So that's good. Have a look at the other side. This is way edges and more. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Because every moment you wiggle with the axle. Perfect. My special tool. Works good. Now we're gonna talk the rear axle. First, gonna tighten it. Then we have to see, guys, what the torque is. Got my rear wheel, 110 Newton meters. Easy, very easy. Got my torque wrench, 110. That's up. Oh, back. Wait a minute, even die dopper op. That's over here. Okay. Now. Yep. Back. So guys, that was my video. How to renew the chain and the sprocket on your Triumph or your Tiger. An 800 XRX. What a nice bike this is. I really love it. SUPERSPROX rear sprocket. GT front sprocket. DID chain. Well, nice to do. Can you do it? Absolute, I'm sure. I'm gonna link all the tools you need for this below. I am an Amazon affiliate. Get a small percentage from it. You're helping my channel out too. I really would appreciate that. And it doesn't cost you anything more. It's the same price. Yeah. For now, old mechanic.